Cradiac has a knack for crafting models that perfectly align with the preferences of Indian riders. Now let me present to you Cradiac's latest model, the Cradiac Hustler 21 speed. Here you go. The bike is an absolute steal, delivering top-notch specs at a price that won't break the bank. So if you're looking for an exceptional blend between value and performance, the Cradiac Hustler could be the bike for you. Now let's break down the bike's features. The Cradiac Hustler comes with a really cool 18.5-inch steel frame. Talking about the color, the bike has a slick grey color with amazing graphics on it. It looks like a masterpiece on two wheels. The bike comes with a suspension fork which works efficiently on both paved roads and muddy, rough paths. Now this provided me with an effortless riding experience. The bike is equipped with a 21-speed Shimano drivetrain. Now shifting between the 21 speeds is the Shimano EF41 shifters. These are made for quick and exact shifting on any kinds of terrains. Additionally, the bike comes in a 7-speed and single-speed variant. The Hustler comes with a 620mm curved handlebar designed for a spacious and comfortable riding stance. Now this provided me with an enjoyable and comfortable riding experience. The bike comes with dual disc brakes that effectively manages braking performance. Now I discovered that these brakes perform exceptionally well even during sharp turns. The Cradiac Hustler is further enhanced by its quick-release Ergo PU saddle designed for swift and hassle-free adjustments, allowing the rider to change their riding positions according to their riding conditions and their comfort level. The bike's front hub comes with a convenient quick-release mechanism, allowing for easy and hassle-free wheel removal. Now, the bike rolls on a pair of 26-inch nylon tires. These carefully designed tread patterns, they allow us great control over any kind of terrain. Overall, the Cradiac Hustler has impressive features that provide an exceptional value for its cost. For those embarking on their cycling journey, choosing the Cradiac Hustler could be a wise and gratifying decision. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've enjoyed this review. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Click the link in the description below to know more. Happy cycling!